Hi there, and welcome to Duality's introduction to FalconCloud. Falcon is Duality's digital twin integration platform that leverages the Unreal Engine, USD data model, and a runtime Python API for robotics, machine learning, and workflow automation. With our software, you can create scenarios that contain virtual environments, systems, and item twins, and then run simulations to generate synthetic data. This sensor data can then be used to train your AI system or connect live to your autonomy stack so that your system can react in real time to the virtual environment. So let's take a closer look at our newest release, the FalconCloud. We'll show off some of its major features and give a brief overview of how to use it. First, once you've logged into your Duality account, you'll be presented with the following screen. In the upper right is the profile area, where you can change things related to your account. In the lower left is the options area, which includes things like a light or dark mode, collapsing the sidebar to create more screen real estate, and getting support, as well as documentation, which we'll touch again on later. In the upper left corner is the most important of our new features: the Digital Twins catalog, the Scenarios catalog, and the Sessions Manager. Click on Digital Twins, and you'll be brought to our Digital Twins catalog, a curated set of environments, items, and system twins that you can use for your simulations. All of the twins follow the Open Digital Twins Encapsulation Standard, or DTES, and depending on your tier, you can create, upload, download, and share these twins with other users. The Scenarios button brings you to a catalog of scenarios that you can run, which use the digital twins from your catalog. Let's run a test scenario to show you how this works. And let's run the Sedona Razor scenario, which lets you drive a Razor vehicle in the Sedona Desert. Click on New Session, and Falcon will begin to load. While waiting for the loading procedure to finish, you can read the instructions on how to use a particular scenario. Depending on the complexity of the scenario, sessions take several minutes to load, and new users to FalconCloud have access to scenarios that range from small to high complexity. Once loaded, run the scenario. In this particular simulation, you can drive the Razor vehicle around with the WASD keys. Each vehicle includes sensors to gather data, and you can see a preview of that sensor data in the panel to the left. You can see here is an RGB camera, a depth camera, a segmentation camera, and an IMU and GPS information. Other panels show you useful information like frames per second, and also a compass. Each scenario also has its own set of options. For example, this scenario lets you change the weather and the time of day. Once you're finished in the scenario, hit the X button, and your simulation session will end. This will bring you to the session's results dialog, where you can get useful information, including a zip file containing all the data your sensors have generated. Finally, we have the Sessions section, where you can go back and download the sensor data from any of your previously run scenarios. Detailed documentation is available showing you how to use our cloud system. Just follow along with our onboarding tutorials, and you'll learn everything you need to know about how to successfully use Falcon in the cloud. Hopefully this gives you a high-level overview of the FalconCloud system, how it works, and what it can do for you. Please contact your Duality representative for more information about Falcon.